You're about to go on a date and you just want your skin to look great and feel confident. Not overdone, not crazy, just good. Dr. Yuval Bibi, dermatologist, mission break you out of the skincare matrix and put you back in charge of your own skin for the best skin of your life. Simple tips to make your skin pop, and at the end, the hack that changes everything. Here's $1 million secret, and I mean it almost literally. The average American woman spends $225,000 on skincare in her lifetime, and men are catching up fast. However, the men I see in my clinic that actually have great skin and turn heads, they mostly have no skincare routine whatsoever. They stopped, they opted out, they got de-hypnotized. Confused people buy things, confident people don't. Let's start the night before, because the best skin of your life does not start the morning of. Stop washing your face at night. I know, everything you've been told is the opposite. Now here's what no dermatologist on a brand payroll will tell you. Your skin creates its own moisturizing elements. This is known as the skin barrier. Part of it is made of sebum. This is not dirt. This is your skin biology doing its job. When you strip it away with a cleanser, you're removing your skin's best moisturizer, then paying a company to put a fake version back on. That is the matrix. If you must wash your face for whatever reason, do it with cool water. Don't scrub or rub the face with the water. Just splash it on the face gently and pat it dry with a soft towel. If for some reason you have an oily residue on the skin like a sunblock you had to put on, wipe it off with coconut oil. No foaming cleanser, no 7-step routine. Drink water overnight, not alcohol. Alcohol puffs up your skin and dries it up simultaneously. One night of solid hydration does more than any serum in the $225,000 pile. Sleep, 7 to 8 hours. Growth hormone peaks during sleep and repairs the skin. No cream on the market does what your biology does for free. $0, no subscription required. Morning protocol coming up. Stay with me. Morning of the date. Your skin has been working all night. Here's what most men do wrong right now. They go straight to the bathroom and wash their face. You're washing off 8 hours of repair work. You're undoing the work for a habit that the industry manufactured for you. Cool water splash, that's it. Tightens pores temporarily, just a smidge, reduces puffiness, and puts you in a good mood. 10 seconds. Works better than a $40 face wash every single time. Now, one product, not 12, one. A moisturizing balm, an occlusive. Locks in what your skin already produced overnight. Shea butter and sunflower seed oil. That's it. No fragrance, no alcohol, no matrix. That's what you use. Butter blossom, 2 ingredients. While the industry was creating a $225,000 problem, the answer was in this tin all along. On sun exposure. I'm not going to tell you to put on the SPF immediately and by default. It's more nuanced than that. I did an entire video on sensible sun exposure. Link in the cards now. Watch it. Understand your real relationship to sun exposure and do it right. That's de-hypnotization. Quick rapid fire. Things men do to destroy their skin before a date. Exfoliating the morning of. Stop. The micro trauma created by exfoliation is absolutely insurmountable. It will make your skin more sensitive, more irritable, looking crazy, and will not improve your skin one iota. So stop it and never exfoliate for as long as you live. New product of the day, stop. This is not the day to experiment. Concealer or tinted moisturizer, stop. Women can detect inauthenticity. They'll sniff you out a mile away. Healthy skin is the flex, not coverage. The supercharged hack, I promise. It's so simple, it'll make you laugh. Night before your date, slug. Not the animal. Last step in your skincare routine before you go to sleep, apply a generous layer of butter blossom or butter Oasis if your skin is exceptionally dry to your entire face before you go to sleep, and put a towel under your pillowcase so that you don't stain it, don't stain your beddings, and let the skin do its magic under that protective occlusive layer of the moisturizer. Wake up the next day to plump, nice, shiny skin, the kind of skin you want to show off on your date. Day balm and night treatment slugging in the same tin. The industry wants you to buy separate products here, separate products there, compounding the $225,000 problem into a pile of useless products. Now you know, one product works for everything if it's the right one. So there you have it, night before, no cleanser, hydrate, sleep, slug with butter Oasis or butter blossom. Morning of, splash of cool water, butter blossom or butter Oasis if you must, and sensible sun exposure. That's the whole protocol from a board-certified dermatologist done watching the industry rob you blind. Let me know in the comments section how this video simplify your skincare routine before dating, after dating, and throughout life. Also, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more no BS skincare advice. See you next time. God bless.